Packs on. Gang, we back with another one. And got something new, man. Got something new. But before we get into what I got new, I made a few changes to the G2s. Now, before I just say G2s, PT111. Because I got the originals. I got the ones when they first came out. People keep asking me, what's the difference? I got the key slide lock. So I can put a key in here and it won't move. Now, let me go ahead and break it down because you know, we rock loud, you know what I'm saying? Break it down. Second one. Clear it. And safety off. Bracket. Okay. So that's that. And I don't want to mix my chambers, so I'm gonna put them like that. Alright. So we do got something brand new today. Get it out. First of all, it comes in a nice little box. Nice little box. I don't want to show all the information, but it comes in a nice little box. And it's a Star model BM caliber. Chamber in 9. And it's chrome. It's chrome. That's what it is. Alright. This right here.
Living.
It's pretty. But you know, that's a little old, you know what I'm saying? It's definitely a little old. I'm gonna show you that it's she empty, but it's a little old. And like I said, the mag empty, so to get this, you gotta slam it in there, stay loaded. So you can see, heavy, weighted. Compared to these, let me show you. My dog, I apologize. She be like that. So, you know, this can lock back when there's none in it. It's not gonna lock back unless I'm firing. It's too new. But these two, I like this over this all day. No question about it. No question about it. I like this all day. All day. I ain't never fired it. All day. But iron, like true. I like this all day. I'll show y'all the tip. And like I said, I know it's cocked back. I know when you see that, but it's empty. That's just how it functions. That's just how it functions. But then when you put a, and then it don't, I don't know, is it because it's old? It just stop right there? But you gotta, you feel me? You gotta slap it. And then you can fire it. I'm really excited to show this. This is just nice. Pretty. Look at that. You know, everybody ain't with the chrome. Chrome, heavy. Chrome is heavy. All chrome. This is bullshit. Now I understand why they call it a cheap gun now. But you know, these are cheap. You can, you know, they don't blast these no more. But this hella cheap. Now I understand. Now I like it still. But when you start getting in the guns, I understand it. I don't think it'll have that much kickback, but I don't know. You know, the magazine. Let me show y'all that. I gotta find that though. Show y'all the magazines. Totally different design. Totally Singles. Double stack. That's a double stack. Single. Straight. Double stack versus single. Double stack versus single. I didn't technically break it down. And I just got so fascinated. To go to aesthetics again. I got so fascinated by how shiny this is. Now, I would everyday carry this. But it depends on where you are. You know what I'm saying? Because this is very noticeable. You know, it's like antique, you know. So maybe I probably wouldn't everyday carry it. But I definitely going to the range, you know what I'm saying? I definitely keep this polished. You know what I'm saying? This is it's definitely passed down through the family, man. You know what I'm saying? But I'm just fascinated to say BM on it. You know what I'm saying? Be like, you know, baby mama. Or I'll be like, bitch move. You feel me? This is one of those. So to break it down, over here, you got the safety. So what I do is pull this back right here to where the safety is. I can only do it one way. So basically like that. And then there's a little button right here. You want to push this in, and it's going to pop out on this side. Yep. There we go. You know what I'm saying? So it popped out. And let me grab that real quick. Okay. So this is a little different. Like I said, it's old school. So it pops out a little hole. And then once I release this by pulling it back, the tension back, the slide can go forward and then the gun is apart. So I'm gonna do that now. Pull it back. And then see, I don't have to push, I don't have to pull the trigger. It just goes forward. This is a little bit different than my firearm, you know, what you used to be showing you. You know what I'm saying? It's got its cuts and grooves in it and all that. And I've already broken this down, I've already cleaned it. Every firearm that I get or that I do or I review for somebody, whether it be mine, family members, or friends, I'm always going to clean it for them. You know, definitely get my damn prints back off of it. But, you know, it's pretty much simple. I'm not going to take this all the way apart because I've done it before. It is a bitch to get this back together, though. But, you know, like I said, it's pretty much broke all the way down. You know. And I went ahead and cleaned this spring and everything like that. But anyway, I'm gonna put it back together and I'm gonna finish this review. Like I said, it is chambered in 9s. You know. Now the bullets that were in here were super, super old. So I had went ahead and matter of fact, I got them right here. I'm gonna show y'all. They right there. Look how old those are. Look at that. So I went ahead and put brand new ones in there for them and cleaned it all the way up, shined it all the way up. Like I said, it's mostly an antique, man. It's pretty much what this is. It's beautiful though. You know, I would probably go ahead and get it polished back up and everything. Take it into somewhere and let them professionally do it because it's all metal. It ain't plastic like what I'm dealing with. My guns, those are, you know what I'm saying, they budget pistols. So I'm not really tripping off of the wear and tear of those. I pretty much clean the slide up and keep going. Plastic is plastic. You know, but with a metal frame like that, man, I would definitely want to get that polished back up. And I wouldn't Cerakote that, but I would definitely get it touched back up to its perfection. I actually like this though. This is very heavy, but I definitely rock this all day. Everyday carry, I don't know because of the weight, but I would definitely go to the range a lot and fire this mug. This is one of the guns that I really do want to fire. You know what I'm saying? I know the history of it. And this is like a pass down situation. So I would definitely just want to have my turn at the range with it just to be like, yep, I did that. That happened. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, it's very old, man. Very old. I just had to get this on the channel. I had to do a review for this one. You know, before I move on to all the other things everybody want to see, the Glocks and the Tech 9s and the AR-15s and stuff like that. Like I said, if y'all want to keep seeing these, I'll keep doing them. You know what I'm saying? They seem to be popping on the channel. I'm just trying different things. So if this is what y'all want to keep seeing, we definitely gonna do it. So let me put this gun back together because it does take a little bit of, you know what I'm saying, a little work. And as I put it back together, I'll jump in and out. So bear with me. so when you're putting this back together, you basically want this little piece right here to line up with this little piece way down here. So these two gotta line up. This is gonna come this way towards my left, and then you want these two to line up, and then you want to put this little piece back in. So it's a little hard trying to eyeball it because it moves like it's moving now, like it just moved. But it's one of them things where it's hard to get in, but I'm holding it. Close. Just gotta get in that little hole. So after some struggling, I finally got it to slide to come all the way back, and I got the piece to pop back in. So all I gotta do now is pull it back. There go to safety. Empty mag, empty chamber, just to bring the hammer back up. I'll slap it in, and there it go. And there it go. So there you have it. This is the Star Caliber 9mm BM. Now I'm gonna look this up real quick just to tell you what this would cost now today. It probably don't cost that much, but just so we know what this would what it would cost you. So just a little tip about this real quick. Produced in 1972 to 1992. It has fixed sights, and this resembles a classic appearance of the M1911. So this is kind of what that is. Price wise, see if I get a quick price up there for you. Price wise, okay, so this could be a budget pistol. Used $270, $255, $277, $205. That's what these are running. So you can probably still find one of these. You can probably pick one of these up, you know, probably at a pawn shop, or you can probably pick one of these up, maybe at a Cabela's, or you know, at your local gun shop. Let me know what y'all want me to do. Like I said, man. Be safe, stay in the house if you ain't gotta go out, man. You know, let's keep the 6 feet distance going. I truly believe in that. And like, follow, subscribe, and be safe. I'll see y'all in another one. It's your boy Silk Living, and I'm out. Bye.